everyone, it's Gina and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing a new clarifying product. This is from Carol's Daughter. This is the new Wash Day Delight. I've really been loving this product. I've used up quite a bit of it already, been testing it out several times for you guys. This video is not sponsored or anything. They don't even know I'm making it. I actually ordered mine on Amazon right when it came out because I was really excited when I saw that they had a new product for clarifying. I haven't really tried anything from Carol's Daughter. I think I did a really long time ago, back before I was even following the Curly Girl method. I know not all their products are Curly Girl method approved, so make sure you do check the ingredients. I did verify that this is in fact sulfate and silicone free, so good to go there. If you have not already seen my previous videos, I do have a series going on called the Curly Hair Care for Beginners playlist, and in that video series we go through all the basics about how to take care of your naturally curly hair from start to finish. If you're just getting started with taking care of it, if you're transitioning, and we really break it down in simple, easy to follow terms. I've already done a video all about how to clarify, and in that video I talk about all the benefits of clarifying and different ways to clarify your hair. There are so many benefits, especially if you have product buildup or if your hair is feeling weighed down from silicones, if you're just now transitioning and you do have silicone buildup from not following the Curly Girl method, or if you just need to clarify in general. I think it's great for anyone to do at any time. I personally like clarifying about every 3 or 4 washes, which kind of sounds like a lot, but I do have fine low density curls, so my hair can get weighed down pretty easily. And products just absorb into your hair a lot better in general when your hair is clarified and you don't have that buildup on there. Moisture can get into your hair a lot easier from your products and everything just works better. It's really great for a nice reset every once in a while. And I hate the feeling when my scalp is feeling oily or if it has like product gunk on it. I have tried so many different clarifying shampoos and treatments and stuff, and I cannot stand it when I can still feel product on my scalp, or I can kind of like scratch it and I still have like product residue coming off on my nails. I cannot stand that, and I can definitely say that this product does not leave any of that residue left over on my scalp, so I know that it works when I can test it afterwards and I can see that there's no flakes or anything left over. This product is a micellar type water cleanser, so this is a completely liquid form. So this isn't like a serum or anything, it's not like a shampoo, it's an actual watery liquid. This says, love at first wash, water to foam shampoo with aloe, no sulfates, parabens, silicones, or artificial colors. And on the back, it just says that it is a water to foam shampoo. It has aloe in it, which is supposed to hydrate your hair. It says the liquid micellar technology acts like a magnet to attract and lift away buildup for a thorough scalp and hair cleanse without leaving hair feeling stripped. Targeted liquid formula provides easy scalp access as it instantly flows through the hair and transforms into a gentle foam lather without harsh friction. It says it easily works through tangles, quickly rinses, so there's no added weight from residue left behind. And it says after one wash, scalp and hair feel clean, hair feels soft and moisturizes. One wash changes everything. So I wanted to go through the ingredients on here. This is something I've been doing a lot more when researching products, is really Googling a lot of the ingredients on here and seeing what it actually says that those ingredients are meant to do. So when I looked up cocoa glucoside, that ingredient is a surfactant. It is a mild cleansing ingredient, so it's not a harsh sulfate, it's just a mild surfactant, I think they're called. It's hard sometimes with the scientific terms, but hopefully this will help you. Another ingredient here is citric acid, which I was reading about how that's supposed to help balance out the pH of your scalp. And if your pH is imbalanced, you might have a scalp that's too oily or too dry. So that's amazing that it has that in it. The other ingredient that caught my eye was salicylic acid, and that's typically an ingredient that you would see in a skincare product for fighting acne. So I really was intrigued by that. But when I was researching, it said it's supposed to really help with the scalp, it's supposed to help with dandruff, and of course any scalp acne. And it can just be really good for the overall health of your scalp and your hair too. So that was really interesting. You could read up more on that. The other ingredients in here were really just focused on cleansing, but without stripping, which was great. The aloe leaf juice is really good at softening the hair and keeping it hydrated. So yeah, all the ingredients checked out to be great when I was reading about them, and they totally made sense for why they put them in here. I really like how this is designed to not totally strip your hair. It's supposed to soften the hair, and I even noticed after using it that I could still run my fingers through my hair and it wasn't tangled up. The other thing I really liked about this was the liquid consistency of it, so it really helps coat the scalp. So let's go ahead and get started with actually how I use it in the shower. So here's a look at what my hair looks like before. So I'm on day 4 or 5 hair, I think, at this point, and I haven't really refreshed for the past 2 days. It's really way down, it's been up in a bun, and my scalp definitely needs to be cleansed. I feel like I have some buildup going on, and I am noticing a little bit of flakes. So this is a really great time to clarify, just to help balance everything out because my ends are feeling dry too. So the first thing that I'm gonna do in the shower is actually detangle my hair. If you've seen any of my previous videos when I'm washing my hair, I always like to first start off by detangling, and that's just because I don't wash my hair every day, and so by going several days in between washes, I notice sometimes that I have a lot of tangles just from refreshing and stuff, and so I did want to detangle first. So I first used the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk 3-in-1 conditioner, and I just detangled with my fingers. After detangling is when I like to go ahead and go in with the actual clarifying shampoo. I love the water formula of this because it really gets down on your scalp, and I like the nozzle too because you can just squirt it right onto your scalp and you can kind of feel the cool water of the product just going all over your scalp. I always struggled with sulfate-free clarifying shampoos before because I was never able to get them all on my scalp. I always felt like there were some areas that didn't get completely coated. So I really like the formula of this. I like this a lot better than serums or other thicker shampoos. It just covers the scalp so easily. Then I'm just using this little shampoo scrubber brush. I found this on Amazon, and it's been really helpful at actually exfoliating the scalp a little bit and just lifting away dirt and buildup. So I just use that very gently. I don't want to tug on my hair or cause any tangles because I do have fine curly hair that's really prone to breakage, so I have to be very careful when I do this. And you can definitely tell once I get water on my hair, it really suds up nicely. It's not that extremely thick lather that you might see with a sulfate shampoo, but it definitely lathers up better than the majority of sulfate-free shampoos that I have used. So I like the lather that I get. I personally love having a lather. I feel like I'm actually getting it clean, and it just coats the hair a lot better for me. So after rinsing this out, my hair felt very soft still. Now I did start off with conditioner, which definitely does help, but I've even used this without starting with conditioner, and I definitely still have soft feeling hair. It doesn't feel stripped or anything. I still feel like I need to add conditioner. Like, I don't think you can skip conditioner after using this, but I do notice that my hair is not too stripped. It's not too tangled or brittle feeling. I'm still able to get my fingers through my hair gently. I do like to start from the bottom sometimes and just detangle a little bit. So I'm actually going to be deep conditioning when I get out of the shower. I definitely recommend using a deep conditioner after you clarify your hair just to add all that moisture back in. It's really going to soak in a lot better now that you have cleansed your hair and got rid of any buildup. So I definitely recommend doing that. But if you're in a hurry and don't have time, just follow up with a conditioner. Of the amount of volume that I have, I can definitely tell that my scalp feels very clean and smooth, and it definitely stays like this for a while. Like, I even notice on next day hair that my hair still feels like this. It's not too stripped, because sometimes if you strip your hair too much with a clarifying shampoo, it can just produce more oil the next day. I've definitely felt that effect before, but it definitely still feels clean even on next day hair, which is awesome. If you're curious what stylers I used in my hair today, I did go with the Amika Curl Corpse Defining Cream. If you saw my recent video that I did on how to create curl clumps, you'll see I use this cream to create curl clumps. I get really chunky, nice ringlets when I use this. And then I wanted to switch up the gel and try it with something different, so I used the Mop Top Curly Hair Custard. I've really been liking this gel. I like how clean it leaves my hair feeling. It's not too gummy or anything. It's very moisturizing, and it just feels great on my hair, so I've been testing it different ways. Really liked it paired with this gel, and if you want to see this paired with a different gel, you can check out that other video. So that is it for what I did today. Really been liking this product. If you have tried it before, definitely let me know your thoughts in the comments. If it didn't work for you, let me know. I know products work differently for everyone, but I have just been really been enjoying it, so I wanted to share it with you guys. And I know a lot of you are always looking for good clarifying shampoos that you can use, because doing like some type of apple cider vinegar rinse or something like that to clarify can sometimes just take more time, so it's just easier to grab a clarifying shampoo and be done with it. So I've really been liking this as part of my clarifying routine. I will put the link down below of where you can get this. Like I said, I got mine on Amazon. It was pretty affordable, which I was surprised with, so I'll put the link below. I will also link you to the blog post that goes with this video, where I will link all the other products that I used if you're interested in any tools that I shared in this video. So that is it. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to see more reviews, definitely subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you back next week. Bye everyone.